Hello guys, welcome to the Linux tutorial part 2. If you are new ethical hacking and penetration testing enthusiast, learning the basic commands is essential. In this video, we will explore fundamental commands used in Linux, from navigation and file management to networking and ethical hacking tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use Linux efficiently like pro. Let's get started. Okay, so step Kali and let's open screen. Let's close it and reopen this. Okay, I hope this ignore this pop-up guys, please. So let's get started guys. First of all, what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is an Debian-based operating system designed for penetration testing and cybersecurity. It was developed by Offensive Security and comes with hundreds of pre-installed tools for ethical hacking, digital forensics, and security research. Some key features of Kali Linux include lightweight and it is customizable. So as per a user need, we can customize it, and it supports various ethical hacking tools and penetration testing tools. Now let's move on the most important commands. We were going to deep dive in advanced commands. Let's practice some basic commands so that everyone will be able to catch up with this video. So, as we discussed, it is a Debian-based Linux for penetration testing and cyber security. Developed by Offensive Security team focus on ethical hacking, and why Kali Linux is so popular and widely used in ethical hacking, because it has a it comes with the pre-installed tools and frequent updates. It is lightweight and customizable as per user need. Let's try these commands quickly, so it will revise fastly. So first command pwd, which stands for present working directory. It print the working directory, shows our current location. So type pwd, and here we are in home/kali directory. Next one is cd. Cd stand for change directory. If you want to change a directory, if we want to move from one directory to another, we use cd command for change the directory. So cd, I type cd, and I want to get one step back from a current working directory, so I use dot and see. I come to home we were in Kali Linux. Now we are on home directory. Let's type pwd, and here we are on home directory. Let's change to again Kali. Pwd, and now we are back to our Kali directory. Another one is ls. ls stands ls used for listing listing the files and folders in working directory. So in Kali directory there are this kind of folders listed below. Okay. Next one command is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. While we want to create a new directory, we use make directory. So let's try first if we want to create a new directory in downloads directory, first we have to change so we have to go to the download folder by using this command cd downloads. Now we are in download folder, and let's create one directory by command mkdir followed by directory name. So demo directory one. Let's we have created this one by giving this command. Alright, in this way we can use mkdir command. Next one is rm. Rm stands for remove. It is used for remove files or directories, delete them permanently. So let's try rm followed by name of directory. First see which directories we have in this download directory. So we have 3 directories, and if you want to delete this demo dir one directory, we just simply type rm and directory name demo dir one and enter. So it says that demo dir is a directory, so cannot remove. So we have to use sudo for that rm and then password Kali. Just a minute guys. Okay. So if we want to remove a directory, we have to use r argument, so that it will remove the directory, because the directory has higher permissions than files. So we have to use this r command. Okay. Let's move to another one. There is a cp command. Cp stands for copy files from one directory to another. Let's try some. Let's create here one file name as 1.txt. So for creating one file, we use touch txt. Okay, and see this create or not. Okay, it has been created here, and we want to copy this 1.txt to our desktop. First check in our desktop there is no another one file is created, so there is no 1.txt. Let's copy this one to here. Okay, so let's go to this location. We have to type cd. Now one step back for Kali folder. So and cd for download. file we want to copy is 1.txt, and here is where we want to copy it. So it's root, then home, then kali, and desktop. Right, and then enter. Okay, let's see. There is copy or not. OneNote.txt file. So cd plus plus and cd desktop and ls. You can see guys here the file is has been copied here. Let's move to another one. Move command. mv stands for move. This will help us to move a file or a directory from one location to another one. Let's try some. Let's move this 1.txt to kali. Or let's create one directory here, and we will move this 1.txt to that. Okay, so for creating new directory we use mkdir. Demo dir one. Okay, let's create and see creator or not. It is created. So let's move this 1.txt to this demo.dir. Okay, so separate type mv, file name which we want to move 1.txt, and location where we want to move this 1.txt. So we want to move this to demo.dir. Okay, so we will type this and simply enter, and let's see 1.txt is here or not. See guys, there is no 1.txt in desktop. It has been moved to it must be moved to demo.dir directory. Let's see 1.txt is moved to demo.dir or demo.dir directory or not. So to go demo.dir we have to type cd change directory to demo.dir, enter. Now we are in demo.dir directory, and simply ls, and see guys 1.txt has been moved to here. So in this way we can use mv command to move or rename files. Let's rename this 1.txt using move command. So mv 1.txt to 2.txt. Okay, 2.txt, hit enter and see whether it is changed or not. See guys, it has been renamed as 1.txt to 2.txt. Okay, and another one is touch. As we seen before, touch command it is for just creating a file empty file. So these are the basic Linux commands to create, copy, check pwd for present working directory where we are currently working on, ls for listing all the directories in current location, cd for change directory navigation to a different folder, mkdir for make directory, creating a new directory and make a new folder, rm command for remove files and directories, delete them permanently, cp command for copy files from directories to duplicate them, and then we seen env command for move and remove files from one place to another. and touch command for creating empty files. Okay, before going further, uh, let's see what are these symbols signifies for. So this dollar is signifies that standard user. Standard user means it has a limited access, and every task it could do every task with the limited permissions. And if user want to do any administrator task, it will restrict it. Then so and this hash uh, signifies that the CMD terminal using by root user, which has a full control over the system, and whatever high risk commands and task he want to do, he can do. Then there is a sudo command, as we seen before. Sudo stands for super user do. Execute a command as per super user do, and temporary privilege escalation is done here. Okay, so in this way, if we are in a standard user, uh, working on as a standard user, and if you uh, go for root user, we just simply type sudo su, enter, and it will pop up for password. We have to give the password, and we will enter in a root user. Okay, and for exiting from root user to normal user, that is standard user, we would just have to reset. We will get to this system. Here this Kali means username, and the username at where this is this signifies the machine name, local machine name. Okay, next one is chmod. Chmod stands for change file permissions and control access levels for directories and files which we have created. Let's check the permissions of this file. So we just simply type ls -n, and we will see the write access, read, write, and execute access. So it has a limited access since it is created by a normal user. So if we want to change its permission, we just simply type chmod making modifications to permissions of these files. We just simply type chmod 777 and followed by file name, that is 2.txt. Okay, and just simply enter and check for the permissions. It has been, what changes it has been made in their permissions. Simply enter and see guys, it has completely give read, write, and execute permissions. See this rwx, r for read, w for write, and x for execute. This means with this file we can do every task. Okay, and another one is ch on. This command is used for the changing the owner of files and folders as normal user and root user. Okay, let's move further. let's move to the networking commands. Okay, just a minute, guys. Let's start, guys. Ignore this pop-up. Basic networking commands. Let's start with ifconfig. Ifconfig command display the network configurations, but it is outdated. We use IP space instead of using ifconfig. But let's see ifconfig command. So let's simply type ifconfig and enter. Boom. Returning as a IP address and network interfaces which are using by our system. So the eth0 is an interface, and this is what our IP address. Netmask where on which broadcast channel we are working on. Okay, this is our IP address. This is the loopback interface which signifies our local machine address, that is 127.0.0.0. So based on this we can see that there is two interfaces associated with this machine. Okay, so in this way by using the ifconfig command we are able to see the network configuration and interfaces. Since ifconfig is outdated, we instead of using ifconfig we use ip command for checking the network interfaces and network configurations with IP address and all the stuffs, ip.in, and see we have get a loopback interface having address of 127. This is permanent, guys. This will not change. Okay, and this is our internet interface card, network interface card, eth0, and it signifies our actual IP address. Okay, 192.168.14.130 with the MAC address. Okay, IBA shows the network interface and network card details. If we connect any external network interface card or any other interface card, it will list down here, and more configuration system given to it, it will be listed out here. Okay, let's move to another one. Next command is ping. Okay, the ping command tests the network connectivity where we want to connect the connection. It will send the ARP packets, address resolution packets with our IP address, and returning back with the MAC address. So it will tell us that the IP address or the domain name where we want to reach is reachable or not. So just we simply test the google.com reachability. So ping and followed by domain name or IP address. So we just simply type google.com. Okay, and in this way it will send packets to the Google domain server, and returning back with the acknowledgement of whether it is available or not, and test the connectivity with this is very important, guys. time to live 128, time it given 27.2 millisecond. Okay, 7 packets transmit, 7 receive, 0% packet loss. Matlab it means that all packets are being sent successfully, and network connection to Google is uh, reliable. Okay, let's show you. In this way ping command is work. Next is netstat. Netstat command displays as the network statistics. Currently, it lists the active network connections and listening ports. So just we have to type the netstat, and it will return as it. These are the list of active network connection and ports that are first here. Active internet connections. Okay, receive queue and send queue local address. Okay, in this the protocol with the service name. Okay, uh, this is what the status we want to give. Okay, and the here is port number. These are the connection interfaces that are connected internally. Okay, so let move to another one. Next one is traceroute. Traceroute command shows the path packets take to reach a destination. Means if we are connected to a router, and if we communicating with the internet, okay, or the server of Google, then we simply type traceroute with the domain name. Just simply type google.com. It will shows the active nodes between the our local machine to the Google server. It will list out all the nodes details in this. This is our gateway, first node where our packets being sent. It will take some time. It just sending packets in network, and see the how many nodes are there to reach between the local machine to Google. Okay, so in this way traceroute trace networks path and see how data travels to from source to its destination. Okay, next one is Nmap. Nmap is a very powerful tool. Actually it is also called as a passive reconnaissance tool, which is useful used by every ethical hacker for passive reconnaissance. It collects all the information about the network from IP address. By giving the IP address, it will return as a very confidential information. Let's test it. We just simply type Nmap with IP address. So let's see. it will be returning it back. Before we starting test the Nmap, let's see one more command that will return us how many IP addresses or nodes are working in our network. Okay, for that there is a command called net discover. Okay, it's saying that you must be root to run this command. So we type sudo and then net discover. Okay, and it will list out the IP addresses of a local network in which we are working on. It will return the IP addresses of all nodes and gateways in our local area network. Okay, so it will take some time, so I'm for avoiding it, I'm skipping that step. So let's try this nmap command, nmap and with followed by IP address and enter. It will return us the crucial information about the whatever service or the machine or any other service associated with this IP address. So it's saying that host is up. It means that the IP address associated with this machine associated with this IP address is working, is on, and their MAC address is right. Actually this this address signifies the gateway, that means my VMware virtual machine's IP address. Okay, actually this is gateway from where our packets are going get communicate with other networks. So in this way we have seen every networking commands. Let's move further. So these commands are very helpful, guys, so do practice more on this. Let's explore one by one. apt-get update. So for this command we have to move to root directory. So just we have to just type sudo and we will be in root directory, right? So okay, cd environment root directory. Okay, now let's just see apt-get update. apt-get update command update the package list and download the latest software information. Right, it means that the softwares which are installed and running on our system, whether their updates are available or they are updated or not, it will return us that information. So let's take apt-get update. Mistake is there. Okay, and it has been read all the packages successfully. In my system I have run them already, so it's not taking much more time. If you type it for first time, it will take some time. Okay, so after this apt-get update, we can use this apt-get upgrade command for update our system and patching all the patching our system with all updated systems and services and application softwares. So just simply type apt-get and upgrade. This command will automatically automatically update the system. My system is already updated as I run these commands here before. Okay, in your case, if you type this first time, then it will take more time. Okay, then let's move to next one. apt-get install. If you want to download any program or software, we have to just simply type apt-get and install, and the package name or whatever we want to download. If let's see, if we want to download Hollywood package, simply type okay, and it popping me that do you want to continue. It's prompting us to say in the context that we want to download these folders or not. Okay, so let's type yes, and it just automatically download all the required package for this Hollywood command. And okay, in this way we can install any software and package programs. Let's wait for its completion. It has been done. Okay, time only good. Okay, if you type the command, and it will turn into blue light, blue color, then consider that is the tool or the command you given present in the system. Okay, so move to the next command, that is dpkg hyphen I, and any zip file. It will unzip the all zip files by running the dpkg command in this Linux command. As we unzip the zip folders in our Windows system by right click and extract all, in this we have to type dpkg hyphen I and name of the compressed file, zip file, and it will depackage that and decompress that, and we are able to access all the files inside that zip folder. Okay, let's move to next. These are the tools, ethical hacking tools. I think we have to wrap up for this video. We will see this in next video. Okay, thank you guys. That is it for this Kali Linux guide, guys. We cover navigation, networking, and ethical cover navigation and management of file management commands, okay, and networking commands that are very essential for every ethical hacker and pen testing enthusiast to be know. If you found this useful, hit like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have question. See you in next video, guys.